सब्सक्राइब कीजिए स्टडी विद सर अमन चैनल को और नए वीडियोस के नोटिफिकेशन पाने के लिए बेल आइकन को प्रेस कीजिए।
Good morning all of you. Today we will continue exercise 8A from question number 8. Okay. The selling price of a sofa set is 4 by 5 times of its cost price. Here in this question there is no data or the money. Price of sofa set is not given, so we can take the price of sofa set either 100 rupees or x rupees. Okay, so whenever you get like this question, there is no money, you can take the cost price 100. And in profit and loss, in the first class I have told you, if cost price is not given in the question, so we cannot solve the question. At first we have to take cost price. 8 and 9 are similar questions, so you see the solution of question number 8 at first. Look at here nicely. Let the cost price of sofa set rupees 100. So in the book, according to question, what is given? Selling price is 4 by 5 times cost price. What I have written in second line. So 4 by 5 into 100. Why 100? Because cost price is 100. Cancel it, 80 rupees. So cost price is 100 and selling price is 80. Means you are buying the thing at 100 rupees and you are selling it at 80. What do you have? Gain or loss? Loss, because cost price is greater. In 100 you are buying and in 80 you are selling. So loss formula, 100 minus 80, 20. Loss percentage, loss into 100 by cost price, 20 into 100 by 20. 20 percentage is the loss. Okay. Next type of question you see, a shopkeeper sells his goods at 80% of their cost price. In this also cost price is not given. Okay, so comparison is here, selling price is 80% of cost price, so we will take cost price. Look at here the solution. Same thing we will do. Let the cost price 100 rupees according to question. Selling price 80% of CP. 80% of CP. 80 by 100 multiplied with 100. 100 cancel, 80 rupees. Same data we are getting. CP 100, SP 80. In 100 rupees you are buying and in 80 rupees you are selling. So loss percentage we will find very easily. Look at here the full solution. 20% is our required answer. Okay, below these two questions are same, you can do it by yourself. Remember what I have told you, in what problem you have to read the question 2 times. 30 number is very important. Only question is big, written like that. Question is very easy. See here, a shopkeeper bought means cost price 300 eggs at 80 paise each, means cost of one egg is 80 paise and total 300 eggs. From here we can find cost price of all egg. Okay, 30 eggs were broken. Second information is 30 eggs were broken, means when he is bringing on the way 30 eggs were broken. So out of 330 broken, what is the remaining? So 270 eggs are remaining. Okay, without solution in question only we will solve this. Look at here. Then he sold the remaining eggs at 1 rupee each. Okay, now whatever is remaining he is selling all the eggs at 1 rupee each, means cost of one egg is 1 rupee he is selling. Clear? And he is buying at 80 paise one piece and 30 eggs were broken in the way. So question is find his gain or loss percent. See how much easy this question is. Look at here the solution. Cost price of total 300 eggs 80 paise, so we can change in rupee. So 240 rupees is cost price and 30 eggs were broken, remaining eggs 270. The remaining egg he is selling at 1 rupee, so 270 eggs are remaining, so total money 270 rupees. Now you see one more thing nicely, in 240 rupees he is buying, 30 eggs were broken, then also he is selling all the eggs at 270. Which one is greater? 270 means selling price is greater than cost price. It means gain is 30 rupees. You can change in gain percentage. Gain into 100 by cost price. Put the value, do calculation, your answer will come 12.5%. Okay. This question number 14. Last two questions are of same nature. A man sold his bicycle for rupees 400. Okay. Selling price is 405 rupees. After selling he is in loss. How much loss? 1/10 of its cost price. Loss is 1/10 of cost price, but cost price is not here. So what we will take, cost price 100 or X? We can take both. Remember what I am telling you. We can take both. If you take 100, then we have to apply unitary method. Okay, because money is already given here, rupees 405. Now which process we will do? The best process for you, that cost price we will take X. Okay, now what do we need in this? Find number 1 cost price, number 2 loss percent. See this solution nicely, all of you. Let the cost price rupees X, selling price 405 rupees, and loss 1/10 of CP. These three things are given in question. 1/10 of CP. CP is X, so loss is how much? X by 10. What is the formula of loss? CP minus SP. Put the value. X by 10 is equal to X minus 405. Do calculation. X will come 450. Those who don't know calculation, look at here, take LCM, do plus minus variables together. X is what? Cost price. Cost price is 450 rupees. From this we can find loss. What is loss? X by 10. X is 450, so 450 by 10, 45. So loss is 45 rupees. Now we are finding loss percent. Loss into 100 by cost price, 45 rupees into 100 by 450. 10% is our required answer. Those who have not understood, see this solution from beginning. This question is very important for your concept. Okay, clear? Those who have not seen the first part of this video, see, this is the first part of this video. In this video you will get the basic formula along with questions from 1 to question number 6. It is the first part. Okay, you must see. Once more I am telling you, learn all the formula, read question twice before solving, and watch the video once more if you are not getting. Thank you. Have a good day. God bless.